Do you always add reminders to your event, but with the calendar app could do it automatically? On your Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can set a default alert time for events so you don't have to adjust it each time. To do so, open Samsung Calendar app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left. Then tap the settings icon. Scroll down the screen. Tap default alert time. Next, tap events. Then enable it. Now you will see your option at time of event, 10 minutes before, 1 hour before, 1 day before, and custom. For example, if you usually need extra time to prepare before meetings, you can choose 1 hour before. That way, every new event you add will automatically remind you 1 hour ahead. This saves time and ensure you will never forget to set alert manually again. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.